welcome to Cooking Gems. Today we are doing slow cooker cooking and we're doing convenience foods. So I've got myself some diced beef for £5 and they're 700 grams. I've picked myself up a bag of casserole root mix instead of, you know, the vegetables out the garden, or, you know, buying it all and prepping it yourself, because we want to do it for convenience. You can put this on before you go to work on low, and when you come back you've got a perfect beef stew waiting for you for when you get back. So again, there's a couple of OXO cubes, a bottle of Guinness, some Worcestershire sauce and some mixed herbs. So without further ado, I'll move you over to the slow cooker and we'll turn it on. And all you got to do is put everything in. You don't have to farm anything. So put the meat in. There you go. And on top of the meat, you put a whole bag of the casserole veg mix, which will cook down. This will do about 8 to 10 portions. It's right, I don't measure anything in my cooking. I just put a load of Worcestershire sauce in. Right, I live about, for my American friends, this is old original genuine Liam Perrin's Worcestershire sauce, and it's Worcestershire sauce. I live about between 8 and 10 miles away from the actual place they make this. And when I used to work in Wilds Lane, I used to walk past the factory and smell this every day. It was absolutely gorgeous. You either love it or hate it. So that's the Worcestershire sauce. Some mixed herbs. Just a big shake of the mixed herbs. And then OXO that's one, and then all I'm doing is smashing up the other one, flattening it out so it's easier putting it in. And then the last thing to go in is so it is the Guinness, and it's a bottle. So then all you do, pour a bottle of Guinness in. You don't need too much any more water, because the water will come out of the veg and the meat, And then all you do, put the lid on, pop off the work, and then when you come back, you cook it on low and slow, and then when you come back from work, you'll have a perfect beef stew to warm the cockles of your heart. And if you want to thicken it, I would thicken it with some gravy thickener, just to give it that extra body. Thank you very much for watching Cooking Jams today. Please comment, like, subscribe. We're going to do a series of slow cooking convenience food, and then we'll go on to once the produce is ready in the garden, we'll go on to cooking what food we're cooking in the garden. Thanks very much. Bye bye. So there you are. As you can see, that's 4 hours on high, or you can leave it for 6 to 8 hours on low. The meat is tender and it's just, look, falling apart. And because this is going to be frozen, I'm going to leave it at that. And all I'm going to do, some people like it with the liquid, I like a little bit of body, so I use a little bit of Bisto gravy granules sprinkled over the top, just to give it a bit of body, a little bit of thickness to the sauce, a bit more. You can smell the Guinness. It's a rich, stout flavour, and as you can see, look, just, you know, that's not even had time to cook out, but that sauce is much better. Still thin, but it's more rich. So there you go. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to portion it out when it's cold tomorrow, and then put it in the freezer. And I've got meals for nearly, 8 portions, I would say there. I've got meals for 8 weeks if I have one a week. And let's see what I'll do tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, liking, subscribing. Any comments, leave down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much. Bye bye.